Meaning of Ivy League.
Ivy League.
Ivy League.
Ivy League.
Ivy League. The term Ivy League refers to a group of 8 prestigious colleges and universities in the northeastern United States. These institutions are Brown University, Columbia University, Cornell University, Dartmouth College, Harvard University, the University of Pennsylvania, Princeton University, and Yale University. The name Ivy League comes from the ivy-covered buildings on some of these campuses and has come to be associated with academic excellence, social prestige, and highly selective admissions.